Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just want to say thank you for taking the time and letting me make this video for you. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the things I want to go over with you today are called content, backlinks, and citations. So now the idea is once you have a website, you want to have anything that's on your front page, any wording, any photos, what's behind those photos, how they're saved, that's all going to be part of content for your website. So Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a homepage. Now within that content, what you want to do is you want to be able to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will definitely be a big help for your website in the long run. Now, the other thing I want to go over with you is going to be what we call backlinks and keywords. So when you do get a website, I am able to use this tool here where I'm able to input your website and I'm able to pull up the analytics. So I'm just pulling up a random website it looked like that was in your area. Now, what on this tells me is the UR and the DR. This is going to be your strength and your trust with Google. Now, this is all on a scale of 100, and the idea is to raise them, but also keep them as even as possible. Now, another thing is going to be backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links are going to act like an endorsement of your website from other websites, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, the thing with these, not all backlinks are the same. Some links are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the links that are more authoritative and that will bring power to your website. Now, another thing is keywords. So this one is only like ranking for 7 keywords, but like I said, these are going to be what people are searching for, interior carpentry, like carpenter design, things like that is what we want to be able to input on your website and have you start ranking in your area for those specific keywords. And I'll be able to find more once we look into your business a little bit more as well. Now, another thing is citations. So what a citation is anywhere that you're going to find your business name, the business phone number, and the address on directories like Yelp, Angie's List, the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Now, you want to be able to have your business information out there as much as possible. Also, building you a Google Business profile. They are going to give you an About Us section, which has 750 words. You want to make sure every single one of those words is used up. And then you also want to take keywords and input those keywords into that About Us section. Also, with social media and stuff, you're going to want to make sure you're getting branded posts and geolocated photos. All of that is going to help with your relevance. Now, the way this all works is we want to be able to get you onto what we call the Google Map Pack. Now, this is where the bread and butter is. This is where anybody's going to look for your service. The businesses that pop up in these first few are going to usually be the ones that get the most traffic. Now, I'm not sure if this is the only area that you are trying to like work for, but there's also other areas we can try to move you up as well if your service areas are different from just this one area. And that's also another thing we can do with keywords and things like that as well. That's going to help bring you up in this Google organic section as much as possible. Now, I do want to just say thank you for letting me make this video for you. I try to make these as quick as possible and just go over some information, but definitely having that website and being able to add all of this together will be a huge help for your business in the long run. Now, if you ever do have any other questions, I am going to attach my phone number, email address, and all that to this as well. So you can always text me, call me, email me, Facebook me, whatever works best for you. But I hope you enjoy this video and I would appreciate some feedback and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.